Just a little heads up for subscribers to this channel or for whoever sees this. I'll be doing my first live stream from my studio tomorrow. For me, art is all about honest expression and emotion and feeling and spontaneity and imagination. That's what my art is about. So this might not be for everybody. If you're looking for a technical art lesson, this is definitely not for you. That's not how I do my art. It's also very personal. This is about me and my art. I'm putting it out there, showing how I approach it. So you're welcome to join. If I'm not in the right mood, I'm not going to live stream because, like I said, it's all about feeling. If I'm not in the right space, if I can't cope with people watching me while I'm doing what I do, this won't happen. But I hope to do it tomorrow. So let's see if you want to join this channel tomorrow at some time, probably around 10 o'clock South African time. Go check out what I do, and I'm just sharing this. This is my personal art channel, and I'm just sharing what I do with people. Okay, see you tomorrow, maybe.